Our planet, a breathtaking tapestry of life, faces an unprecedented crisis. Humanity's insatiable appetite for resources, particularly our food system, strains Earth's delicate balance. Conventional animal agriculture, while essential for centuries, now stands as a major contributor to greenhouse gas emissions, deforestation, and water pollution. The pressing question emerges: can we sustain our current trajectory, or is a fundamental shift in our food production and consumption patterns imperative for the survival of our planet? The answer, like the intricate web of life itself, is complex and multifaceted. One thing is clear: the time for action is now. We must explore every avenue, every innovation, to mitigate the environmental impact of our food system. Among the most promising solutions are alternative proteins, a culinary revolution poised to reshape our plates and redefine sustainability. The plant kingdom, a treasure trove of flavors and nutrients, holds the key to a more sustainable future. Plant-based proteins derived from sources like soy, peas, lentils, and even fungi have surged in popularity. These culinary chameleons mimic the taste and texture of their animal-based counterparts, offering a delicious and ethical alternative. From juicy burgers to creamy cheeses and plant-based milks, the innovation in this sector is astounding. Companies are crafting plant-based delicacies that tantalize taste buds while minimizing their environmental impact. These products, often fortified with essential vitamins and minerals, provide a complete and nourishing dietary choice. The allure of plant-based proteins extends beyond their environmental benefits. They often contain less saturated fat and cholesterol than animal products, offering a heart-healthy alternative. Venturing beyond the plant kingdom, we encounter the cutting-edge realm of cellular agriculture. This revolutionary technology allows scientists to cultivate meat directly from animal cells, eliminating the need for traditional animal farming. This process, often referred to as lab-grown or cultured meat, holds immense promise for a more sustainable and ethical food system. Imagine a world where we can savor the taste of real meat without the ethical and environmental baggage. Lab-grown meat requires significantly less land, water, and energy than conventional animal agriculture. It also eliminates the need for antibiotics in livestock, a major contributor to the growing problem of antibiotic resistance. While still in its early stages, lab-grown meat has garnered significant investment and research. As the technology advances and production costs decrease, we can expect to see these products readily available in supermarkets and restaurants in the near future. The environmental benefits of alternative proteins are undeniable. Plant-based and lab-grown foods require significantly less land, water, and energy than traditional animal agriculture. This reduced environmental footprint translates into a substantial decrease in greenhouse gas emissions, a major driver of climate change. Studies have shown that producing plant-based proteins requires up to 99% less water and 90% less land compared to producing the same amount of animal protein. These figures underscore the transformative potential of alternative proteins in mitigating our impact on the planet. Furthermore, embracing alternative proteins can help alleviate deforestation, a major contributor to biodiversity loss and climate change. Vast swaths of forests are cleared annually to create pasture land for livestock and to grow animal feed. By shifting towards plant-based and lab-grown alternatives, we can help protect these vital ecosystems and preserve biodiversity. Section 5: The Price of Progress: Navigating the Challenges. While the promise of alternative proteins is undeniable, several challenges must be addressed to fully realize their transformative potential. One significant hurdle is cost. Currently, plant-based and lab-grown products are often more expensive than their conventional counterparts, making them inaccessible to many consumers. However, as technology advances and production scales up, costs are expected to decrease. Increased investment in research and development, coupled with government support and incentives, can accelerate the affordability and accessibility of these sustainable food sources. Another challenge is consumer perception. Some consumers remain skeptical about the taste, texture, and nutritional value of alternative proteins. Effective marketing campaigns, celebrity endorsements, and the increasing availability of delicious and affordable products can help overcome these hurdles and shift consumer behavior. Transforming our food system requires more than just technological innovation. It demands a cultural shift. We must move beyond viewing alternative proteins as niche products for vegans and vegetarians, and embrace them as delicious and sustainable options for everyone. This transition requires a multi-pronged approach. Educating consumers about the environmental and health benefits of alternative proteins is crucial. Clear and concise labeling, highlighting the nutritional value and sustainability credentials of these products, can empower consumers to make informed choices. Furthermore, integrating alternative proteins into school lunches, government food programs, and restaurant menus can normalize their consumption and make them more accessible to a wider population. Addressing the complex challenges facing our food system requires a collaborative effort. Scientists, entrepreneurs, policymakers, farmers, and consumers must work together to create a more sustainable and equitable food future. Governments play a crucial role in incentivizing the development and adoption of alternative proteins through research funding, tax breaks, and supportive regulations. Collaboration between food tech startups and established food companies can accelerate innovation and bring alternative proteins to the mass market. Farmers, the stewards of our land, can play a vital role in this transition by diversifying their crops and embracing sustainable farming practices. Ultimately, the success of alternative proteins hinges on consumer demand. By choosing these sustainable options, we can drive market forces, encourage innovation, and create a more sustainable and delicious future for all. The rise of alternative proteins presents a profound dilemma. On one hand, we have the familiar comfort of traditional foods, deeply ingrained in our cultures and traditions. On the other hand, we face the undeniable urgency of addressing climate change and creating a more sustainable food system. The choice is ours. We can cling to the past or embrace the future, recognizing that our culinary choices have far-reaching consequences for our planet and future generations. Alternative proteins offer a compelling path forward, a chance to redefine our relationship with food and forge a more sustainable and delicious future. The culinary landscape is evolving, and alternative proteins are poised to play a pivotal role in shaping its future. As we navigate this exciting frontier, one question lingers. Will we rise to the challenge and embrace the transformative potential of alternative proteins? The future of our planet hangs in the balance, and the choices we make today will determine the fate of generations to come. The way we produce and consume food is inextricably linked to the health of our planet and the well-being of all living creatures. Embracing alternative proteins is not merely a dietary choice, it's a commitment to a more sustainable and compassionate future. It's about reducing our environmental footprint, preserving biodiversity, and creating a more equitable and just food system for all. The time for action is now. Let us choose wisely, consume consciously, and work together to create a world where both people and planet can thrive. Let us make the future of food a story of innovation, sustainability, and delicious possibility. The choice and the future is ours to make.